All right, everybody, welcome back. I'm Willa, and you're at Willa Trades. And what we're doing here is we're teaching you guys how to trade as we trade. So one of the fun things about this is you're going to go through a long period where you find it difficult to trade, and a lot of people give up. I started this channel because I want you to keep moving forward. I've been trading for a little bit over 2 years, and I've gotten more and more profitable, gotten better at my trading, still have improvements to go, but I thought it'd be fun to go on the journey because I absolutely unequivocally will be one of the top day traders that are out there on YouTube at some point. So I want to do my watch list with you guys, and I think today is a day that I'm going to take a trade. I did not take a trade yesterday, and I missed a great trade on Monday. However, it's a new day, and there's always another trade. So now we're in front of our screen and we're looking at what's happening. Big thing to know is the market did a taper off on Tuesday, the day after a holiday. The reason I didn't trade is because I didn't know what to expect. I did do a watch list that day, but I knew that it was going to be a weird day coming into this week. And then you saw the immediate sell off, and that's kind of pictured here. You see this immediate sell off from the minute we opened, and about here is where I would say that I missed a trade that I probably should have been in. This would have been a great trade from here to here, level to level, and if I would have went all the way down, that would have been even better. Here was yesterday. Yesterday was also another day where I thought it was going to be interesting coming off of it. I assumed that it was going to be an up day, and it was kind of a day where they did a reject upward down upside down V, where you can see a reverse head and shoulders here. Here's the shoulder. Here's the shoulder two. Here's the head. And it rejected off of 55.50. So here's what I'm expecting today, because it looks like we're about in the same range. If we were to pull up ES, that gives us a better idea. On the 5 day, it looks like we're in about the same range. You can see here we haven't broken down to yesterday's pre-market low. We had some news come in, and when that news came in, it actually bounced us all the way up here, and then we saw a little bit of rejection. It looks like we're working our way up again. I would not be surprised if we didn't stay in the same range as we did yesterday. So what I'm looking to see is how we move off open. If we move up off open, I'm going to be looking for a pre-market reject using my SPY and QQQ levels. And then if we move down off open, I'm going to be looking for a bounce. And I'm thinking that my bounce is actually going to be the 815 gap. The 815 gap, that's where we gapped up. Or maybe we'll stop at this 548. But I think the ultimate bounce today might be this 544, I think it is. Let's move on down. Okay, so maybe not the full bounce today. I mean, it looks like we could check off a couple of levels. Here we go. So we're probably looking to get this gap this week because we got NQ's 815 gap. So we could do this in the day. That's a very real possibility. But looking at the volume that was in the market yesterday, I doubt it. I'll probably save it for tomorrow. Tomorrow is a big news event. Those of you who don't know, it is the unemployment numbers for last month. So what I expect is we're probably either going to bounce here at the lower number, 548.53, which is the previous all-time high. That's where this level comes from, and I keep it if I notice that we respect that level, when we have the 548.5 really. And then if we push further down to 546.96, so I'm going to be using that level to trade my SPX. But let me show you what I'm going to be looking for on SPX, because yesterday's levels actually were SPX levels. The market rejected 55.50, and it bounced basically the 5505 number. So I'm going to be looking at, if we break lower, this 54.90 was a really strong level previously, numerous times in July. So I'm going to be looking for us to bounce that level. If we break through, I'm going to be looking for this 54.63 level, which is the 815 gap. You can see that. So this is the main level I have on watch. And after that, if we break through that, and then we really go to Valhalla, as they say, or the Gulag, as they say, then I'm going to be looking for the bounce at the 54 47. And this could play out over the next couple of days, but that's how I'm going to be watching it. That's how I'm going to be playing it. If we do decide to move up and we go ahead and bounce because we're down right around this 505 level to a 555.12 level, I'm going to expect that we bounce and we move up and we move for a higher high and reject off of this 55.62. Okay, I'm going to watch this at 55.50, but I'm going to be looking for a reject off of 55.62. Okay, so that's how I'm going to play it today. For those of you who are interested in seeing me trade live, which I would love to do for you guys, I think it'd be fun. I think we could all learn a lot. You can definitely hit like and subscribe, and definitely come back and watch a few videos on the channel. We look forward to seeing you again soon.